Looking for affordable roof repair in Portland without sacrificing quality? Roof damage is stressful and costs can add up. But with the right contractor, you can protect your home and your budget. We specialize in balancing value and quality. Call 360-818-6400 or visit roofrepairprosportland.com to get a same-day fast roof repair estimate Portland, a transparent itemized roof repair quote Portland, reliable solutions for both standard and emergency roof repair quotes Portland. Here's why affordability doesn't mean cutting corners. 1. The best contractor saves money long-term. Poor workmanship leads to repeat repairs. The right roofer gets it done right the first time. 2. Quality materials protect your investment. Low-cost shingles may fail quickly. High-quality products withstand Portland's rain and storms, saving you in the long run. 3. Clear quotes prevent hidden costs. A trustworthy roof repair quote Portland ensures you're not blindsided by extra charges. 4. Fast action reduces expenses. Delaying repairs allows damage to spread. A fast roof quote for Repairs Portland helps you address issues before they get costly. 5. Affordable is about value, not just price. The lowest bid isn't always the best. True Affordable Roof Repair Portland balances fair pricing with expert craftsmanship. Why it matters? We use only trusted, durable products that can stand up to Portland's rainy climate. Cheap shingles may fail in as little as 5 years, while quality materials protect your home for decades. In fact, studies show that neglecting a minor leak can increase repair costs by 20 to 30% in just a few months. Acting quickly with the right contractor saves you money. So, if you're searching for affordable roof repair Portland, don't wait. Call 360-818-6400 now. Visit roofrepairprosportland.com where quality meets affordability.